Welcome to day one. Now that you've been introduced, let's get down to business. Open your minds and get ready to take some notes. This is definitely going to change your life. Get your paper and your pencil ready. Make sure you're in a quiet place where you can hear all of the details, and let's get started. Who's this course geared towards? Well, it's geared towards you. It's geared toward curious beginners, the do-it-yourself audience, and the designers who would like to enhance their services and talents. To the point, it's important for all of us to be more mindful, so this is a great opportunity for anyone to learn. Here's a little bit of what you'll learn. First, we'll touch on defining Feng Shui. You'll also learn to trust your instincts. I will teach you the basic elements of Feng Shui and how to utilize them, as well as the diagnostic tools of the trade. You'll learn solution to Feng Shui problems, colors and what they symbolize, and where best to use them. All of this and more.